Hi guys, this is today's dinner from my tilapia pond. These fish together weighs about 2 pounds. So we have one there which is about almost a pound, and then um, there's the other two. They came from my tilapia pond that I've been making videos about. So we have had these in the refrigerator for a while, but today is their dinner. Um, right. So I think we're going to be frying these fish today and eat with some rice. Right. From Joseph's tilapia backyard tilapia pond, um, nice, beautiful tilapia from my pond, which we will be seasoning up in a second and getting ready for dinner. Home fresh, home cooked tilapias. Thank you. See you soon.